Your warehouse supervisors need support. I'm Greg Schenkel, President of Unique Training and Development and Frontline Leadership Systems, and today we need to look at the support that your supervisors feel so that they can in turn create supportive relationships with their team. I think the myth that many management teams go for is that if people needed support, they would ask for it. But many supervisors and even team members are reluctant to ask for support in fear that it makes them look weak or unable to do their jobs. The fact is that warehouse supervisors need to feel that they're supported and receive actual support in order to create a supportive environment for their team members. Some research in the Journal for Applied Psychology, the authors Linda Rhodes Shannock and Robert Eisenberger actually identified that the organizations that supported their supervisors and their leaders tended to then create an environment where the supervisors acted in a supportive way to the team members. So by supporting the leadership team, the leaders in turn created a supportive environment for team members. And that had several payoffs because not only did productivity increase and error rates were reduced, but it also increased the morale and the attitude and the culture, and therefore it drove down turnover rates and increased retention. The supervisors in one warehouse we were working for really did feel that they were lacking support, both from their management team, the operations managers, and also from some of the support departments that they relied on. They thought, okay, if I have to be the one that does everything, they hunkered down and they got very individualistic and they became quite negative and cynical towards the company. And that showed in terms of their willingness to support their team members. They basically started to withdraw that supportive environment because they felt like they weren't being supported. So what we did is we did some training with both the management team and the supervisors and made sure that they got what they needed to be successful. That then cascaded in the supervisors, showing that same level of support to the team members. And overall results went up, turnover dropped, and the engagement was through the roof. So I've got 3 tips for you to increase the level of support for your warehouse supervisors. Number 1 is increase your awareness. Pay attention to and take seriously the kinds of comments that you hear from people. They might be framed as cynical or sarcastic, but there may be some truth behind it that your supervisors may not feel they're being supported to the level that they need in order to drive the success of your operation. So be more aware of that. The second thing is to practice servant leadership. Now, servant leadership as a concept says that instead of viewing the organization as I'm your boss and you do what I say, we flip it upside down and say you're serving the customer and adding value. How can I support you in doing that better? So when managers view their primary role as supporting the supervisors in turn will also start to look at how they can serve the needs of their team members who are actually making the work happen and driving value for customers. The third tip is to ask and deliver. I know it's scary when a manager asks their people, what can I do to be more supportive of you? Because they're worried of it being a very long list of things that they will have trouble delivering. But I think it's important to ask your people, what could I do that would help support your performance and your ability to drive the results that we're looking for? And then start to look at that list and not overpromise and underdeliver, but look at the things you can actually put into action that will drive the success that people need to feel more supported. Once you've figured out how to be more supportive to your warehouse supervisors, you're going to want to work on some of the other leadership skills for both your management team and your frontline leaders. And of course, our frontline leadership program is ideal for that. Whether we come on site and do it in person or deliver it from our state-of-the-art virtual training studio, it can be engaging even at the desktop. Or you could even look at our Frontline Leadership On-Demand program, which allows individuals to learn the valuable leadership skills they need and put them into action at their own pace. All of those options, of course, can get narrowed down by having a conversation with us, and the best way to connect is through our website at uniquedevelopment.com. Once you and I have a conversation about what will drive the success of your leadership team and your organization, we can start to put that plan into action, whether it's a short-term workshop or a long-term leadership development journey. We look forward to becoming your partners in organizational excellence.